Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. There is a one application is there that is the carbonated card, and this application has published a such a long time back as I'm going to show you as we are doing the testing of this. But from the Google side, every day we are getting the mails like your tester has been rejected, and as you can see, it has been published on February 20, 2025. It has been published, but still now it has not been live. And as you can see, there is a no crashing reports also. As you can see, there is a no crashing report also is there. There is a no crashing and everything is fine in this application. There is a no problem at all. But but the problem is still the app has not been live, and due to this, so we will going to raise the ticket to the Google why it's been happening to us and why it's taking such a time. And every time it says that your testing has been rejected and everything. As you can see, we already been see here every day they has the testers the properly way, and it's been running very good, but still don't know why the Google has doing this. So right now what we will going to do, we will going to raise a ticket to the Google. So we will going to search here Google Play Console support. So Google Play Console help. As you can see here, there is a contact us. We have to contact here, and what is its problem. My testers here, yes, you can able to copy and paste. We required more testers. We will go into copy here, and we will going to paste it here. Can't publish new app, publish overview. My app is still is in review. Testers app visibility troubleshoot. So I will click as a troubleshoot because my app has a phasing of the testers. So I think it has been troubleshoot. I think it's a Google Play Console has some problem. So we will go into next, and we will going to write the mail here. So we will going to write first name and last name for those information. What we will going to do first, we will going to go the apps. Here we have to go and go in the about. Here we need to have a contact information. So we'll going to copy here this information and paste. And this is information, and we'll going to copy paste and the mail ID. I will going to copy paste the mail ID of the account. It's a India. Developer name, we have to see for the developer name. So for developer name, this is a developer name and developer ID. This is a developer ID. We will going to copy and we will going to paste. App name, this is our app name. App name, and just copy the package name here. Okay, I submit the new application for app. It is not limit. I want to request, just click it on other. So we will go into right here. Hi team, my app was uploaded on. Here we have to go the take the dates. So we will going to close the testers. So this is the date. That last uploaded on February 25, but still my app is showing as you required more testers for a production. Your app required more testers for active production. As you can see in the screenshot. We did the testing so many times as per the Google policy, but still my app is asking for required more testers to access Play Console production. Can you see this and fix it? So it's almost 5 times it's been rejected, as you can see in the screenshot. Into screenshot, we will going to upload the screenshots here. So I already been taking the screenshot here, first one and second one on also I'll going to upload the nothing that screenshot that we which we have been published, then you have to submit it here. Okay, it has been submit. After you submit, you will going to receive a mail also that your ticket has been raised. So after that, when the testing is going to complete, the Google will going to make your app live. I hope it will going to work out for you also. Please like and subscribe to our video. Thank you so much.